जय श्री राम दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel RV Engineering Consultants. So today we will learn about blocks and attributes. So blocks are what are blocks? First of all, I will let you know what are blocks and what are attributes. So blocks are nothing but they are just a named group of any of single or multiple 2D objects or 3D objects which can be reused with the same name and in any of the file that you are working on. And the blocks are basically they are used for creating the content, and such as if you are getting some symbols or some legends for any of the drawings like electrical drawings, mechanical drawings, plumbing drawings, then they can be used again. And as in the blocks the standards have been set, so you can use the same standards file with the same properties as a block. So blocks basically saves your time and maintains consistency in your working style. So blocks are very useful while creating drawings. So let's start with the block. And attributes are just the definition of the blocks which are used to define various blocks. Like if you are creating blocks of different shapes, then you can define that it in attributes, and you can add information for that blocks through the attributes. So first of all, for creating blocks, let me just create an attribute. For attribute we can go to the attribute definition through shortcut att, or we can define an attribute from here. So first of all, let me create an attribute. Let us give it a text 01, from 01, and you can set default as 0. No need to write anything on default. The text settings, text setting, it tells about the justification and text style of the text which are used in attributes. So if I want to align it in a left side, right side, or center, or any of the area of the text, then I can justify the position of the text from this. Right now I am taking it as a left, so set it to left. Text style here is standard, and the text height, let us change the text height to 5, and I want rotation as 0. So that's okay. And our attribute 01 has come over here. Likewise, I can move the attribute. I will add another attribute over here. Like suppose if I want tag shape, so shape will be left, text height will be same, and okay. So shape, if I will define so attribute also defines anything that you want. Like if I want to decide a shape of this thing, this object, then I will define it as for shape. If I want an attribute for size also, then I can also add a attribute for size. Like size, what is the size of the object, and size. Like, okay. So here our attribute has been added, and here now we will create block. So for creating block, the shortcut is B. So here we can create block. Suppose the block is rectangle, so rectangle, our pickup point is this, and we will select objects from here. So all these objects will get selected, and our attributes will also be get selected in the blocks, and it will also be getting added to the blocks. So those attributes will define our block later. So if four blocks are selected, if four objects are selected, then they will be converted into blocks, as you can see. Here we don't need to change the annotative. Annotative is used for notation. If you want to, this is basically this defines the behavior of the block. So we want to allow exploding and still only. So just check it and then press OK. So here, as you can see, our block has been created, And now I can add a size of the block like 100 by 100. I can add the shape rectangle 01 is 01. Like this, I have defined the block. Okay. So yeah, if now I double click on the block, I can see our attributes have already been defined. Like attributes, the size of the block is 00, shape is rectangle, and the number is 01. Okay. Similarly, we can use the same for this block also, for this shape also. Sorry. So for this, let me define the attribute. First of all, the attribute is number 02, 02. I don't need to change other things. Just edit another attribute for shape, another attribute for size. Okay. Now if I select this, now if I create a block, select the pickup point, and then select objects. Okay. So our objects are selected. So all these things will matter to block. Select OK. Yeah. I have not given the name. Let me give triangle. Okay. So our block for triangle has been created. Here I will give the size. I can add size. Shape is square. Number is 02. Okay. As you can see, our block has been created with the attributes. Like this, attributes is used for creating title blocks or any other things. Like if you want to create blocks of having with names, like if you want to create a doors, windows, or any other uh, blocks like walls, pumps, etc. So you can create blocks with an attributes and give it a name or any other tags as per your requirement. Yeah, if yeah, there is one more thing. So if I want to create this, if I want to use this block in any other drawing, like if I want to use this block in this drawing to another drawing, if I insert, so first of all, if you want to insert drawing, then you have to select I is for insert, and then you can select blocks from here. Right now no drawings are no any blocks are coming over here in the insert option. So we have to make, so we have to create right block. So for creating right block, just create W, as press W, and then W is the shortcut for starting right block. So from here I can select a drawing, like means I can select a block. If I select a block like a rectangle, then there are some options, like you can select a block, you can select entire drawing, or you can select objects. If I select, as our block is already created, I can select a rectangle block over here, and all the things will be same. The file name will be this and path. So I need to change the path of this block where it is going to be saved. So let us save it over here. Right now I will save it here, and our rectangular block will be saved over here, and the unit will be inches, as our default unit in this drawing is inches. So it will be exported in inches. So, and I will also export this triangle. So let me select this block triangle over here, and our file path will be same as the previous one. That's okay. So our triangular block is also been selected. Now if I will go to this drawing one, and then if I insert, now you will see the recently added blocks are, you can see the recently added blocks will come here, and now I can insert them. Just right clicking over them over here, and then I will insert them over here, and then I will add the sizes by 200 by 200. Shape will be rectangle, and number will be 02. Okay, our attribute will be same. Our attributes which will be shown here will be the same as we have just defined over here. Okay, and if I want this rectangle, then I can also write rectangle over here. This is 100. This is the rectangle 0. That's okay. So like this, we can use the same block which is created over here to the new drawings which is over here. There's one more thing, we can change the angle scale. We can change the scale and rotation of the blocks also. Like if I want a scale of this rectangle having a scale 2, so it was already scale 2. Let me change it to 3. And then if I select a rectangle, as you can see, now the rectangle is rectangle which is inserted is in a scale 1:3. So now the size will be 300. Now I select the scale as a 1, then scale in which the block will be inserted will be 1:1. As you can see, now a rectangle will be of 100 size, shape will be same, number will be same. So like this you can create n numbers of blocks, and with the n numbers of attributes, and you can define those blocks with those attributes, and you can insert them, and you can save them anywhere in your PC, and then you can reuse those blocks anytime and anywhere in any drawing. So guys, blocks are very useful. Blocks and attributes are really useful in mechanical or any of the artificial drawings. If you are making any drawings for machines or layouts for plants, or we are making floor plans elevations for the construction drawings, that is very useful. So please keep practicing of these blocks and attributes, and let me know if you are having any doubts. Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video. Jai Shri Ram.